Good morning, everybody. Welcome to June the 5th. Today is a special day because we're finished with Macedonia. And later today, we are making our way through a private transfer to Albania. So today we're going to Berat, and it's a very small village/town. If you're only joining me now, welcome to the vlogs. I'm currently on an Intrepid tour for the next couple days. I've already been on this Intrepid tour for 6 days. We have 6 days left, so we're halfway through. We are currently in Lake Ohrid, which is a beautiful lake resort holiday town. Of course, locals do live here, and this is a beautiful setting to live, surrounded by all these hills, beautiful lake water, which by the way is not that cold. And there's just this old town that's gorgeous. There's a new town for more modern vibes, good shopping. But we are leaving Lake Ohrid behind, the little city of churches. There's so many monasteries and churches here. So I will vlog the day today because we have another border crossing. This is another country unlocked. And I'm so excited to see Albania. I need to get Albanian lek because they use different currency than the dinar here in Macedonia. So we've got things to do and we got to get our day started. So let's go catch the bus to Albania. Made it through to Albania. Okay, welcome to Berat, Albania. We just arrived at our hotel, which is in this very old part of the town. This is a cool place. Let me show you the room first. I just got my room. So that's outside. And this is the room. Very simple, old style, aircon, cute painting. Let's check out the view. Yeah, I can't figure out the window. It's like wooden shutters, so I'm not sure about the view, but I forgot to show you the bathroom. Okay, a bidet. This is the first time I'm seeing an actual bidet. I love that, so European. Hello, we got a hot water tank and a shower. Okay, well this is so cute. Look at this tiny little TV. All right, so now we have a bunch of activities. We are gonna go on a walking tour. We have to do some hiking, so I'm gonna put on some appropriate clothes this time. Last time, I just didn't have appropriate clothing on to do a hike up a hill. That was in Palaizen in Kosovo, so now that we're here in Berat in Albania, I'm gonna put on some workout clothes because I know it's hot and it's gonna be sweaty because we're always going up a hill to get to the fortresses, which of course are always on top of the hill. So let's check out Berat today. We're only here for one night only, so we got to make the most of it today. So I'll see you guys, I don't know, outside checking out the old town. I'm so excited to be in a new country though. This is so fun. And I'm excited to have my own room. I'm peeping myself in the mirror there. I'm so happy to have my private space. That was the best outcome of my confrontation, was just getting my own room for the rest of the tour. It's gonna make it so much more enjoyable. But let's explore Albania. That looks nice. Another Balkan hill.
3 days climbing for food.
Oh, okay. We got this, Chris. We're so fit, we're not even out of breath. This is no joke. It has been steep, non-stop. Don't worry, not to fear. I've got the sweat towel. This time I'm prepared for this walk. Here we are up in the fort, made it up the hill. I'm doing a walking tour in Albania. This is the beginning and the end. So now, this is my new hand symbol. I'm gonna... Hello, everybody.
Everybody, Alpha and Omega, baby.
This little old lady sold me this hand crocheted little tablecloth thing, and I got it for Masha for 20 euros, but it's supporting like a local woman who has all her things set up on the side of this road in the old town. So I don't mind supporting people who are entrepreneurs like that. And look at this beautiful, beautiful little tablecloth as a perfect Christmas gift for my Masha. Apologies for the horrible lighting, but I don't have any natural light in this room, so it's the horrible overheads. But anyway, we finished up the walking tour. It was very exhausting. I was so sweaty, but we saw some beautiful sights, so I'm glad that we did it. We went up into this old walled area with an old ancient fortress and old ruins and churches that are no longer in use, sort of used as museum kind of ruins. Yeah, we learned a lot about the Ottoman influence here and the history, and I also picked picked up that beautiful little, hopefully handmade lace sort of table, placemat, whatever it is, for Masha as a gift. And now we are having an included experience. This is lovely because I don't have to spend extra tonight for dinner. We're gonna have a beautiful Balkan traditional dinner tonight. I have no idea where it is. I don't know what kind of food we're gonna be served, but hopefully it's a delicious dinner. So let's go and enjoy the rest of our day, our one and only day in Berat. And that wraps up my time in Berat. Just a couple quick facts on Berat because I did learn some things on our historic walking tour that we did up to the fortress. Berat was established around the 5th to 6th century BC, and it's known for its ancient architecture and history here because there is a lot of history, a lot of influence from a lot of empires, particularly the Ottoman Empire. This beautiful town is known as the City of 1,000 Windows just due to the typical Ottoman structure of the old buildings with these uniform windows in the front. And what they've done is actually build this all up onto a hill. It was impressive. We went for a walk after our included dinner, which was really yummy, by the way. And we walked across the river using the beautiful stone bridge and looking back onto where our hotel is in the old town of Berat. Was stunning to see all the windows lit up. I took 1,000 pictures, it seems, of just that beautiful landscape of the cliff with all the houses with the Ottoman style windows, and they had like projection lights to light up all the windows. It was just absolutely stunning. So is Berat worth visiting? I would say yes, but only really budget a day here. That's all that we had, one night, and it was enough time. We did a guided walking tour, learned about the history, just saw the sights, and you really only need a little bit of time, especially for the old town. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.